got the carrier bear. Ooh, all dirty. Drive shaft complete. Back to tarping, or actually strapping. And that's what actually moves up and down and pushes on the spring. Those head bolts are probably one of the hardest things I've ever had to get out. And a JB Hunt one. Oh, that was nice of you. 19765 for the fleet guard. So that is a wrap. What do you think? You good?
Every state is probably going to be different.
Guys, it was super nice meeting you guys tonight. Awesome hanging out and chatting with some subscribers and friends of ours. And also they know what's up, one of our other friends, which is awesome. But this is how they do it. They just call everybody at the same time. So he just started moving, the other guy started moving, all these guys over here are moving. And we got door 538. So I need to clean that windshield, my goodness. Oh yeah, trucks everywhere. We're definitely getting detention on this because it is 8 o'clock, 8:11 actually. And that means that our detention starts now. So everything over this for up to 4 hours is detention. Okay, 538 is gonna be, that's 514, so I'm way over to the right. Oh no, wait, it counts up to the left? No, it counts to the right. It's 529, right in front of us, 530, 534, 35, 36. So this black Pete is going into 35, and I am going into 38. 37 is right there, so okay, cool. Cool. We'll let him get worked out, and then we'll get in there. But yeah, detention. I understand it though. The poor Peterbilt has his bumper bumped in there. They had that, I guess, the train derailment. I don't know if that really messes up their program with checking people in, but it seemed like it was still pretty decently quick. We just went over there for a little bit longer. Make sure that he's gonna be happy with that. Now he's gonna pull up a little bit more. Once he gets himself all straight. So do you guys see the Peterbilt? I know it has a step down behind the cab. Oh, he's good there. He's gonna slide his tandems. But the height of that cab, that's my biggest thing right there. It's just, that's why I chose my W9. Because the Pete does look good. It's like the classic trucker truck, but old W9 has that headroom. Well, we got wide open. It's 536 through 540 is all wide open. So right in the middle of these 5 doors. Watch out for this yard jockey here. We will get our truck in there. They do give you a lot of room here, which I love. And that's a nice orange Pete. Pretty trucks. I like how the sleeper just kind of slants back, but I do like my headroom as a tall human, as a 6'5" human. All right, back it up, Terry. Put those hazards on. Let them know we're moving. Watch our trailer, see how it's tracking. All right. That's about good. Swing the front nose back around. Get under it, they call it. Looks like we're gonna have a one shot here, maybe a one hitter. I call it one hitter, meaning you don't have to pull up. Oh no, we're a little bit too far to the left, so we're gonna have to pull up a little bit because our trailer is tracking over to the left into 539. So we'll come towards our yard jockey buddy who just moved even more our way. Seems like people are always right where I need to be with my big old nose. Okay, let's get in here, and then we gotta go bring our paperwork into them, and we'll wait to be unloaded. Hopefully they are quick about it, but they're probably gonna be 2 hours or whatever, but we will get detention. T-Dubs wanted me to do a movie night with her tonight, but we do have some kids over, our neighborhood kids, my Cash's classmate and his brother. They're doing a kid sleepover. That's a fun time, so they'll do that, and then I'll get home and maybe I'll still watch that movie with T-Dubs, who knows. But it was awesome meeting you guys tonight. Rolled easy, and it was great shaking hands and talking with you. Disconnected and in there. Let's go drop our paperwork and pray it doesn't take too long. Said it shouldn't take too long. It's just been a hard time getting everybody in the doors, so let's pray it's a quick one. This guy's been walking the whole parking lot the whole time I've been here, getting his laps in. So you get your exercise. There you go. Keep rolling. Okay. Definitely got some detention on this one, guys. About 4 hours. Or I'm sorry, 4 hours total, 2 hours detention. Finally out of there, but this is not what you want to see. Complete dead stop. I'm coming over the hill. I'm just gonna stay off to the side and pray that nobody else comes flying over the hill. But yeah, we have a dead stop on the highway. Huh. Yeah, no cars moving. So. T's and P's, whatever's going on. Hope it's not too bad, but looks like something's blocking the road or something. Okay. Get home though, park the truck. I'll look for the weekend overload, Saturday, Sunday, but it's probably gonna be Monday. Tell the brokers to get back in the office until we start seeing something. Might go to the lake. We don't know. But right now, we're gonna focus on whatever's going on here. Yeah, I don't know what's going on, but something bad. So T's and P's. Unfortunately, guys, I think this is pretty bad. There's been 4 officers go the opposite direction, like that one right there. That's number 5. And that one right there, that's number 6. So I think it's pretty bad. The traffic started moving. I don't know if they're just letting us go to the left side or they're making us exit right here at Georgia Road. Yeah, T's and P's, whatever happened here on Friday night in Simpsonville, South Carolina. T's and P's. Just get back home and hang out with T-Dubs and watch a movie. It's a very nice Bentley. Yeah, we're just kind of creeping along. It's right up in front of us, but I haven't had any new officers come up from behind us, so I don't know if they're coming off the on-ramp or something, but they're not coming up from behind the highway. But T's and P's. Hope it's okay up here. That is the first officer that's gone past us. That's an F-250. I don't know what happened, guys, but it's got to be really bad. We've been sitting here 20 minutes now, going on 30. And a BMW go by and a tow truck. Might be a family member, I don't know. We've been here 30 minutes now, guys. Something is going on. Here comes a Charger. Damn. T's and P's. All these people are just jumping in front of everybody, guys. It's horrible. This guy's letting me in. Thank you very much, man. I don't know what happened, guys, but T's and P's. Oh, jeez. Prayers, guys. This is our 7 a.m. or 7:30 in the morning fiasco going on. Got our neighborhood kids. Had a sleepover last night. Okay. Yeah. A little bit muddy out here. Well. Oh, jeez.
Oh, muddy this thing.
Yeah. Look how great my backyard's gonna look. Yeah, that's kids.
We're doing marks everywhere.
Well, we'll look for loads today. I mean, friends are gone. I tell you what, guys, oh my goodness. This is not easy. I'm learning it. But I just figured out that I need an Ethernet cable to connect this, that thing right there with the red lights. That has to be connected to the network before you can go live and do stuff. So we can watch these guys play these crazy games. But it's pretty cool because like,
He's gonna take it from you.
like you have all their little
Give me another one.
faces and the cameras and then what they're playing. So, well, we'll see. But I have to go grab Ethernet cables now and see if I can get that working for them. Nothing on the load board that's worthwhile today, and I just ran to Walmart yesterday to get those, to get a TV and some more cables for good old game room up there, the podcast room, whatever you want to call it. Now I need Ethernet cables because I was trying to go live just to test it with T-Dub's channel, and you have to have an Ethernet direct connection to your router. So I gotta go buy Ethernet cables. I thought I had some in the house. Might have thrown them away or done something with them in the past. I don't know. But let's go jump in Red Wheels and grab some Ethernet cables. Hold the phone real quick before we leave. Something just showed up. So let's see what's in the box. What's in the box? And I know what's in these 2 boxes also. That's for the Screaming Chicken. This is something else. Oh, yes! Our new drone. No, or you can just take a picture of me. I don't care. Just hold it. Yeah. Thanks, man. Let's see what T-Dub's got, too. It's funny, but wait till you see how excited she gets for this. It's like a kitty litter trap mat. Poor Amazon van steps have seen better days. Your Amazon just came.
Mine did?
Uh-huh.
Fine. Oh, yay.
She's going to be so excited for her little mat.
Yeah, it's going to keep the
Kitty litter mat.
kitty litter off the floor.
So it like opens up so you can pour it out, but it'll grab it. Oh, whatever. I have to set something heavy on that to flatten it out.
Yeah, for real.
Maybe, or put it in the oven. Who knows?
Put it in the oven.
Get it warm.
Oh, yeah.
For a little bit. All right, okay. Yes. A little bit different design. DJI, guys. That's what the drones I use. And it's starting to rain a little bit harder. Huh. And then the remote I got is called the RC remote or something like that, but it has the screen built in so I don't have to put my phone attached, which I really wanted. Let's see what this is like. They give you a little USB-C, and right off the bat I can tell these propellers are a little bit bigger, I think. Give you a spare set of those and a tiny little screwdriver to get them off. And this piece was actually like holding these back in here, but let's check out this, see if it turns on. Ooh. Okay. Okay, DJI. And the little joysticks go back there. You screw those in here, and then the other ones used to be on the bottom. Pretty cool. This is probably gonna have to make us register and all that and put all of our information in and credentials. You have to have a Part 107 to legally fly these drones, guys. If you don't know what that is, it's pretty much a pilot license course almost about airspace. You have to go to the local airport to get it done, so to take the test. So it's not super easy, but if you're not doing it for like video content and stuff, you can just fly your drone, I guess, amateurly. But these are so much fun, guys. 249 grams. Anything under 250 grams, you don't have to FAA register. So that's why they make them mini. Okay, well, I got to play in the rain now and go get some Ethernet cables, but that is pretty cool. That's our new drone. I don't think I'm going to let Kylan see this, guys, because Kylan's my youngest son, if you don't know, because I think he's really going to want this new remotes. Made it to Walmart, got the Ethernet cables, and there's another cable I found out I have to have, and T-Dubs wants veggie straws. No idea what those are. This cable right here, I was thinking to myself, how are we going to get the Rodecaster, which is like the headphones and the microphones, to go connect with the ATEM, which is the little video mixer. So I looked it up, good old YouTube. Thank you, YouTube. And these guys are like, nope, we need this cable. So it's like the 1/4-inch big jacks that go like on guitars and stuff, or amps for musicians, to a small little like 3.5 millimeter. So ordered one of those, and this one guy said that some of those cables are not all the same. They're not all same quality. He gave me the one to buy, and we bought that one. So that's the one it is. If you, for some reason, decide to go crazy like me and try one of these podcast things. But okay, so we can't even do it today, but at least we can hook up this and see if we can stream, but we won't have any sound. What kind of hat are we wearing here, buddy?
I've got this on.
Oh my goodness. Playing with our dump truck? Oh yeah. And so there's like a Back to the Future marathon going on, guys.
I'm so excited about it.
T-Dub just said, if it's not part 3, I'm going to be so mad.
I was like, if it's not 3, I'm going to riot.
Because she just watched 1 and 2. Yeah, no football today, and I'm going to go put these cables in, but we still can't do it because you might have seen a live from T-Dubs that had 0 sound. That was me messing around with the stuff, so I'm trying to do that now. What was that, Cash?
I realized why something was canceled.
Football's tomorrow. I just made the mistake of thinking there was a Saturday game. Somebody has seen the new drone and is fascinated, of course.
Cameras?
It does. I didn't realize it had so many cameras, guys. Look, that little those 2 circles up top are
I
cameras.
seen that drone.
Those 2 circles on the bottom are cameras, and then it has the main gimbal camera. Don't drop it, okay?
Wait, that is a protection thing?
Yeah, so does the other one. So you don't mess up the gimbal. It's called a gimbal. That little camera that moves around, it's a little gimbal. Yeah, what's that?
Can I give you the other one?
What do you mean, give it to you?
No, I said I want to give you the other one.
No, I gave you that one because I bought this one. I knew this was going to be a problem.
I know. Guess what?
No. At the same time?
Yeah. Wait,
Okay.
you can drive that one?
No, I can help him to fly it. I can get it in the air. You can fly it too. But that is Colin's drone, but we're gonna let our brothers use it too, right? Okay, yeah, it is charged. Good. Okay, lights on. Ethernet cable. Haven't plugged one of these in for a long time. But luckily, our house came
There's something new in here. Look.
with pre-wired Ethernet.
It's new.
Oh, it's a new background for good old Roku. So we have to get that. I plugged it in downstairs to the router already. I got a little shorter one also. And now I have to run it to the back of that. And we'll see if lives work. Okay, guys, we made it work. So we did our first live on Just Truckin' Wives channel. So come check that out. It was pretty fun. We were on there. We've been on for an hour and a half.
Have we really?
We were driving a Volvo. T-Dubs is driving a Volvo. Cash turned his computer off.
Not do that.
Kylan's in a Volvo too. Oh, yeah. T-Dubs is driving, guys.
Help me.
So check that out. And now it is time for dinner. Oh, goodness. And craziness. Can't wait to see this thing fly and see how good it looks with the new drone. Short video today, guys. Just did get detention. Uber already paid it. That's awesome. Kind of rewatching that live stream just to see like how it came out, because that is without the good microphones and stuff. So I'm excited about it. So God bless you guys. We got some dinner coming, and we will see you probably Monday on the next one. Let's enjoy some football. Have a beautiful weekend. Enjoy your family. I love all of you. And God bless you.